Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Coimbatore location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for business transcription editor position. It is from NewScript Data Solutions located in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. So coming to job description, editing and proofreading various types of reports generated by ASR, speech or voice recognition for their clients in the USA, and they are looking for dynamic and resourceful candidates who can deliver top-notch quality in every report consistently. So this is about the job description, and coming to experience and qualification details, the applicants must have at least 5 years of recent work experience as a editor or and a proofreader in the business transcription. And coming to mandatory requirements, the candidate should be having excellent language proficiency and good education background and keen attention to detail, proofreading experience, ASR or VR editing experience, and excellent interpersonal skills. So these are the mandatory requirements. So if you want to apply for this business transcription editor position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is careers@nuscript.in. Next one, there is a job opening for process assistant position. It is from Amazon located in Tamil Nadu. So Coimbatore location. So they need graduates for this position with more than 1 year of experience in fulfillment center, FC or related fields. And coming to job deliverables, daily management of shift, management of associates, job allocation to associates, monitoring and mentoring of associates on productivity, quality and safety, monitor status of problem solve queues and responsible for shift quality and associated action plans, preparing and implementing training and development plans for associates, conduct a 4M and 5S audit for the respective workstations on a daily basis, and stand in for area manager. A self-motivated person with the ability to motivate the associates, and the candidate should be having good people management skills. So these are the work details. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can once have a look on the description, and in the description I am going to provide the links for this job to apply, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for production supervisor position. It is from Autoprint located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So for this, education qualification will be BE or ME in mechanical, industrial, production, agri and also automobile, and you should be having 4 years of experience to apply for this position. And coming to key qualification details, minimum 4 years of experience is required in manufacturing or production or design and development, preferably in industries like agri, automobile or heavy engineering. And at least 1 year of experience is required in managing a team, and also excellent communication skills are required. Work location will be Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So it will be a permanent job. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for command center executive position. It is from Autoprint located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So they are looking for graduate candidates, like any degree with the sales experience is required to apply for this position, and 2 years of experience is also required. Coming to key qualification details, minimum 2 years of experience is required in sales, preferably in industries like agri, automobile or other capital equipment, and knowledge of English, Tamil and Telugu language is must, and you should be having excellent communication skills, and also digital sales experience is required. So it will be the permanent job. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for sales and service engineer position. It is from Auto Print, located in Coimbatore. Coming to qualification details, it will be PE or diploma in either agri or automobile or mechanical, and you should be having minimum 2 years of experience in the above mentioned, like agriculture, automobile and mechanical industries or field oriented sales is preferable, and the candidate should be having spoken communication in Tamil and Kannada language is a must, and willingness to travel, and age should be below 30 years is most preferable, and the candidate should be having good communication skills. Location will be Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So it will be the permanent job. So interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link. It is available in the description. So you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for associate pricing EU position. It is from Avantar. So it is for Coimbatore location. Interested candidates, so please go through with all the roles and responsibilities and also the skill sets. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link. It will be available in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on that once. So for this position, you should be having a bachelor's degree. So they are and also you should be having knowledge of Microsoft Office applications, especially Excel knowledge is required, and ability to think analytically, problem solving skills and quantitative skills are required. Excellent written and verbal communication skills and business acumen, and also you should be having less than 3 years of experience as an associate is they are preferring these skill sets from the candidates to apply for this position, so you can go through with the information provided here. Next one, there is a job opening for data entry operator or computer operator position. It is from SHS Enterprises located in Coimbatore. So coming to role, BPO voice and non-voice process work at home. Jobs available for Tamil candidates. So it is for Tamil people. Coming to responsibilities, persistence product mix by collaborating with and driving channel partners and network with assigned channel partner teams to build win-win business relationship and ensure high performance. So these are all the responsibilities. So please go through with this, and for more detailed information about this job opening, you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for accounts executive position. It is from the creative texture for Coimbatore location. Salary will be 13,000 rupees per month. So it is for both male and female candidates. Qualification will be BSc Maths or BCom Accounts or Commerce, and they are looking for fresher candidates and as well as experienced candidates, like 1 to 2 years of experience is required in any accounts related job with the MS Office knowledge is required, and it will be a full-time or regular or permanent job. So salary will be up to 13,000 rupees per month. It will be full-time job. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant product development position. It is from the creative texture located in Coimbatore. Salary will be 10,000 rupees per month. It is for only male candidates. Education qualification will be minimum 12th standard qualification, and the candidate must have two-wheeler license and also willing to travel all vendor units in and around Coimbatore, Tirupur, Erode and Karur locations, and freshers or 1 to 2 years of experienced candidates is required to apply for this position. So experienced candidates should be having experience in office assistant of any field. So application deadline will be 10th 7 July 2021. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can have a look on the description once. Next one, There is a job opening for assistant purchase position. It is from the Creative Texture located in Coimbatore. So salary will be 10,000 rupees per month for this position. So it is for only female candidates. Any degree candidates are eligible for this position, and the fresher with MS Office knowledge is required. And so interested candidates, you can apply to this job on and before 10th 7 July 2021. For more detailed information about this job opening, you can have a look on the description once. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.